Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about the BODMAS rule in mathematics. Okay, so when do we use the BODMAS? Okay, we use this to understand the order of operations that we need to do in mathematics. Okay, so the V here stands for the vinculum or the bar, right? The B stands for bracket. The O stands for order of, which is order means as the power. Okay, or of as in multiplication as well included here, and division. We have the multiplication here, this multiplication and the of, although we read this as multiplication, we do this according to this very order only. Okay, we will see the difference when we do questions on this. Addition and subtraction. In case of addition and subtraction, it doesn't matter if we follow the order or not. Okay, that too it's fine, but the others we have to follow it in order. Okay, so let us try to solve some questions on this. Let's try to solve this first question. 25 plus 4 multiplied by bracket 7 plus 5 divided by 4 minus 3. So like we learned in the BODMAS rule, the first is V, which is vincular or the bar. We don't have any bar or vinculum here. When if it's bar, it should be something like this. Okay, but we don't have a bar here, so we won't do that. The next comes the bracket. So you can see here, there's a bracket here. So we will add this first. So 25 plus 4 multiplied. Here inside this bracket, we have 7 plus 5, which is 12. So we will do whatever operation is inside the bracket. Then we'll write the rest as this, minus 3. Sorry. Okay, after this, again, we will follow the rule again. Bracket is gone. Next comes O, order and of. We don't see any powers here, which is order, or we don't see any ofs here. So we will not be doing that. Next comes D, division. Okay, so here we have the division, so we will do that next. So here we have 25 plus 4 multiplied, we divide this two, so 4 3 is 12. That's what I get. So I'm getting here 3 minus 3. So that is done, division is done. Next comes obviously dm, which is multiplication. So here we will do this one first, which is 25 plus 4 3 is 12 minus 3. Like I said, in case of the last two are addition and subtraction, that order can be done in any way. Your answer will still remain the same. Okay, so here, since we are following the order anyway, so we will go with addition first. So here you're getting 37 and minus 3. And last, the answer here is 34. So this is one. Let us try another question. Let's try this question. The value of, I'll write it here, okay, just to be clear, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 bracket divided by 6, and we have another sign here, this 4 plus 4 plus 4 bracket divided by 4. Okay, so as we said before, we will still follow the BODMAS rule, V included. There is no vinculum or bar, so we'll skip that. Next comes bracket. We have inside the bracket, we have 4 numbers and all numbers are addition. So obviously we will do this first instead of division. Okay, so because although division comes first in the BODMAS rule before addition, because the addition is inside the bracket, I have to complete whatever operations are inside the bracket. Okay, so if I add all this, 6 plus 6 plus 6, I'm getting here 24. And then we have divided by 6. Divide, same thing here. All these are plus, which is inside the bracket. So I will do the bracket first. So here I'm getting 16 divided by 4 here. So here I'll get 6 4s are 24. Now this is division and division. So I'll divide it. 6 4s 24 and then 4 4s are 16. So here if I cancel out this two, I'm getting 1 as my answer. Okay. So that's it for today. I'll give you one question here for you to try. Okay, this is a question which you can try and practice at home to solve it. Thank you for joining us for today's session. Let's meet up in the next video.